just received an order from VITACOST and I want to share it with you because it's a great place for you to go for your health needs. And I have been ordering them for years because it's quick and easy. They only, well, I'm in South Carolina, so it only takes 2 days for me to get my order. And I actually have gotten it in a day. I don't know how they do that, but anyways, not always. But if you order over $50, then you get free shipping. I think it's actually $49. You get free shipping. I am really struggling with this box. I should have got scissors. This is a smaller order, but I still wanted to share it with you because it's very valuable to me. Siete is a fun company. I love the story that they have to share. They have good, clean ingredients, and these are the cookies, and they're vegan. I have not tried these yet, but Chipotle barbecue chips. I don't eat chips often, but if I do, I want them to have clean ingredients, which are hard to find. And they hit the mark in the ingredient list. Coconut water. When you order coconut water, you need to be careful checking those ingredients because many of them add sugar, they have other components in them, and you really just want coconut water, and I can get this from VITACOST. Coconut milk is another thing that you want to watch out for, and you can get the Native Forest from VITACOST. There's nothing in this but coconut milk. Simple Mills is another company that is dear to my heart because the ingredients are amazing. And they have gluten-free products, they have clean ingredients, and I love crackers. I'm just a crunchy girl. I've tried to find something that fits the bill as far as clean, and Simple Mills does a really good job with that. And to me, these mimic Cheez-Its, and so now I can have my cake and eat it too. I've not tried these. This is going to be a new one for me, and this is called emergency food for me. Typically, I like to eat food that, you know, if you just went out and picked it, that's pretty much, you know, unless it's baked. There are those times when you're in a hurry and you forgot to pack something and you're hungry, and this kind of saves the day, making a better decision. So I'll get back to you on how I like them, but I feel sure they're going to be fantastic. Another thing is Unreal, and they really are, dark chocolate coconut bars. They are delicious. And at the end of the day, if I just want a little dessert, I can eat one and I'm very satisfied. And then I can forget about it for the rest of the night and it isn't harmful to my body. And the ingredients: coconut, organic cassava syrup, dark chocolate, cane sugar, cocoa butter, vanilla. That's what's in the cane sugar. It has fiber. It hits the mark as far as the label. 1 gram of fiber, only 8 grams of carbs, and even though it does have some sugar in it, it is non-GMO, it is gluten-free, and like I said, I only eat one at a time, and so it's not really that big of a deal. These items did not come with my order this time, but they are things that I ordered in the past. Dr. Mercola Vegan Protein, my absolute favorite protein powder. I tell everyone about this because the ingredients are amazing and it tastes great. And 1 scoop in your smoothie just boosts the flavor. You know, sometimes your frozen strawberries and blueberries don't have a lot of flavor unless you've gotten them from Trader Joe's, because they always do for some reason. And then this makes it tastier, but also adding quality, clean protein and more fiber. I also have ordered Ancient Nutrition, their collagen, and this goes in my coffee every single morning. You can also put it in your smoothies. And when I choose to be dairy-free, which the only dairy I'm really doing is maybe occasional cheese, and grass-fed half and half of my coffee. But there's a lot of times that I will skip it, go straight for the oat milk. This is a great replacement if you are dairy-free. Chicken broth. Pacific Foods. What I like about this item is they're individual, because a lot of times I'll get the big 4-cup container and I'll only use about half. I forget about it, it's in the fridge, and then the other half goes to waste. This way it's never wasted and you have little individual servings. You also can have a cup of this collagen, great for the digestive system. So you can warm up a cup and drink it down, and then you don't have the big container sitting in your refrigerator wondering what you're going to do with it next. If you sign up for VITACOST emails, they send coupons all the time and discount codes, and typically I'm getting somewhere between 10 to 20% off every time I order. They already have low prices, and then you have even lower prices. Get your order up past $49 and there's free shipping. What can you, I mean, you can't ask for more than that. And then you've got groceries coming to your door. They also have a plethora of supplements. I have ordered my B complex. I have ordered digestive enzymes, probiotics, all kinds of supplements from them as well. And so VITACOST, thank you for doing a great job and for helping us save money and having it come to my door. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.